people, this is Treasure Nails with Whitney B. Today we're going to focus on ombre nails. We're going to focus mainly on the length, the shaping, the acrylic application. So you can stay tuned to figure out how it works. Bling a little. Okay, so we're going to start with two different shaped nails. We're going to start with the stiletto shaped nail by adding extra shaping to it to make the shape more precise. And then we're going to go on with the coffin shaped nail to make it more precise as well. I also like to buff my tips because when you buff the tips, it makes it easier for your acrylic to go downward when you're bringing the acrylic down, the acrylic application. It allows your acrylic to stick better, and it's not as runny as it would be if I didn't drill my tips. Next we have the Band-Aid. This particular chemical dehydrates the nail and it takes away funguses, oils, different things that'll be in your nail that will cause lifting of any sort. It really helps when you're applying your acrylic as well. Here I'm applying 2 coats of that. Now I'm going to apply my primer. The primer is the adhesive for the acrylic. It helps the acrylic stick and it helps to not cause any lifting in the nail. And even though these are plastic nails, I still want to use the primer and the Band-Aid to show you exactly what you should use on humans when you are doing a full set of nails. Okay, here we have the white acrylic because you know we are doing ombre nails. This is the white acrylic we're using. It's premium true color. Okay, now we have the monomer that we're pouring in there as well. And now we're about to start our application. Okay, so next we have the Absolute OPI Makeover Pink acrylic. This is like the best acrylic that I've used so far. It's very pretty. It's like a nudie pink looking color and it lays like butter. So now that you have your white applied at the ball point of the nail, now you have to put the pink acrylic on there as if you're filling in the nail. So you're gonna watch me do that. Little bit. You only need like a medium bead to put at the nearest part of the cuticle, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna sort of kind of wipe it a little bit and just bring it down, and it makes the ombre effect. Simple, just like that. And all products and equipment will be provided in the description box below. Now after you apply your 2 acrylics and it's dry, then it's time for you to go ahead and start shaping the nail. When you shape your nails, you're going to shape it the exact way you shaped it before you applied your acrylic. because the only thing you're doing now is just cleaning up the shape from what the acrylic might have deformed. So after we're done filing, it's time for us to drill the nails. This is my drilling bit that I use to drill my cuticles with. With me being left-handed, I kind of drill backwards, but it still gets the job done, and I don't have any lifting in none of my nails when I do my full sets and fill-ins. So make sure you don't want to get too close to the cuticle because you could cut the customer. But you should also want to get a little close so that you can get whatever is left so that the nail won't lift. And I also go up and down with the drill to make sure that the nail is smooth, make sure there's no lumps, make sure there's nothing on the nail as far as like little, polish and pixie dust or whatever it can get on the nail from the napkin. You want to make sure to use the drilling bit to get all this stuff off. Now it's time to buff the nails. Basically, when you buff, all you're doing is making sure that the nail is really smooth, make sure there's no bumps and no lumps, and making sure there's nothing underneath the nail. Next, we're going to spray alcohol on both of the fingers to get off all the dust and powder residue. You're now going to use whatever you desire to put on the nail. We have some glue here, some wipe-on glue that we're going to use. And we have some diamonds and crystals and Swarovski crystals that we're going to use to design the nail to your desire. Just make it look beautiful. Whenever you're doing nails or whenever you're doing ombre nails, you can do any type of design you want, or you can leave it plain because simplicity is better than anything else. But I'm just going to use some diamonds and, create my own little look, do a little freestyle here and there. Here we have the gel light that we're going to use for the two nails that we have right here. You can either do a regular clear coat or you can also do a gel clear coat. And I chose to do the gel clear coat so that it can be more shiny. We also have this Wonder Gel right here. This is what I use to put the top coat on. It's extra shiny top coat, and it makes it look really, really cool. Like, it looks really good. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys learned something from this ombre tutorial, and I hope everyone have a blessed one. Blink a little.